after midnight.
Airport. It was partly sunny.
183 miles per mile. And for Friday,
61 degrees, and the relative humidity 48%. The wind was variable at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.98 inches and steady. At Andover, the temperature was 80 degrees, the dew point 60 degrees, and the relative humidity 50%. The wind was southwest at 8 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.01 inches and rising. Elsewhere in New Jersey at 6 p.m., it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 76 at Caldwell and 79 at Teterboro. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for extreme south-central Sullivan County in central New York, east-central Pike County and northeast Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 6:32 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Millift and moving east at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Matamoros by 6:40 p.m. When you can do so safely, please report hail or damaging winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-888-603-1402 or by email at bgm.stormreport@noaa.gov. If you are in the path of this storm, seek shelter indoors and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Pike, Pennsylvania, and Sullivan, New York. The following is a short